How are you, Adira? How are you feeling today? It's good? Okay, so can you read this for me?
Shade in a array with 3 columns of 4.
4. So tell me how many columns you need to pick?
3.
3. Can you show me? 3. Can you just put a dot first? 1.
2, 3.
Again, tell me which is row, which is column?
This is a column.
Yes, so how many columns you need to draw? 3. Nice. So we are picking this one, this one, this one, right? Then how many we need to color? Shade. Shade, we need to
4.
shade 4. Yes. Good job.
My friends, the worksheet you're working on now, front and back, when you're finished with that, make sure your name is on it, and then you get a book to read. This is our math fit time now, so you're just doing some extra practice with our new learning.
Good job. Can we write the repeated sentence?
I'm gonna try this. So you're shading an array with 3 columns of 4. And like the repeated addition percentage. You need help with this.
Irene, I can help you. Get your pencil and come with me. Okay, you do yourself. Write your name, Irene. How are you feeling, Irene?
Good.
Good. Okay, now number 2. 2.
Wait.
Oh, sorry. No. There is an easy way. Can I tell you? See, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. Okay,
Shade
shade.
in
Irene,
a
tell me how
array
many
with
columns we need to shade?
3.
How many?
4
You
rows.
get confused. So let me tell you. So if you draw like this, this is what? Row. Okay. So 1 row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. So how many rows are here?
8.
8 rows. Good job. Then now we have to tell the columns. Okay. Columns means what? Up, down. Okay. So how many columns?
How many squares are you
1,
coloring in a row?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Coloring 3. Do you have
Okay.
3 squares?
Okay. So now you tell me how many columns you need to color, shade. How many columns you need to shade?
3.
3. So we are okay. Do it. Okay. Good job. Now how many columns? How many rows we have to cover? 3 columns of
4.
4. Yes. So 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here to here, right? You agree? Okay.
Yeah.
Shade it. Got it? Okay, now we need to write the repeated addition sentence. Okay, we have to write the equation. So tell me how many you colored now? 1, 2,
3.
3. So how many times you did 3? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time,
4 times.
4 times. So you need to write 4 threes. So 3 plus.
Miss Anju,
Yes.
can I have 2 others join
Sure.
you that were out?
Sure.
Penelope and Ashley, bring your pencil, please.
Good job, right? Now add it. You can add these shaded columns. 1. Hey, how are you feeling? Good. Can we do the math? Okay, you can write your name. Hi, Ashley. Good morning. How are you? You good? Is this easy? So you know the columns and the rows? I know. Okay. Penelope. Now come on. Start your work. Shade in an array. Okay. What do you want to help? Tell me. With the reading? Yes, I'm here. Shade in an array with 3 or 4 columns. Okay, tell me which is row, which is column. How many rows are here?
3.
3 rows or 3 columns?
3.
Second. 3 rows or 3 columns? Tell me. How many columns are here?
3.
3 columns. So can you tell me, is this a column or this is column? Which is column? Up, down. We are not playing here. Okay. Tell me which is column. This is column, right? So how many column we need to shade? 1, 2, and 3. Right? How many we need to shade? In 3 columns of? 3 columns of what? It's okay, Penelope. I am teaching you, right? That's fine. How many? 4. So how many you need to shade? Good job, Ashley. I love it. Now work. Okay, now you need to write the repeated addition equation.
I'm trying to do. I know how to do it.
You can do it.
I don't need help.
Okay, do it. Write the equation sentence. Tell me how many you shaded here. But you have to shade one more, right? 3 columns you did. But we need to write 4. So 1, 2, 3. This row also we need to shade. Okay, can we do this? Shade in an array with 4 rows of 3. So how many rows you need to pick? 4 rows. Okay, tell me which is row. This is row, right? So like this. Right? Okay, now you need to choose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows of 3. So 3. Shade. Write the equation. Penelope. Write the equation. We are not playing with the glue. Okay, now here. Can you write the equation? How many you? 4. Oh yeah. So 4. How many times 4 you did?
Is it right?
No? You tell me. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 2. Is just a 2. Shade. Count the shades. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
9, 10, 12.
12. Good job. Yes. Okay. It's correct. Now, come on, this one. Shade in an array with 4 rows of 3. Tell me. You are not looking at others' work. Tell me, how many rows you need to shade?
4 rows.
4 rows. Is this a row? Think, Penelope. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? In 4 rows of 3. Just we need to shade 3. So this is the square we need to shade.
Okay.
Good job. Nice work. Okay. Here. Shade in an array with 5 columns of 2. Okay?
My notes.
Huh? How many columns? How many columns of there?
5.
5. Can you show me the 5 columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now, 5 columns of 2, right? So how many rows you need to shade?
Only 3.
Wow, nice. Yes. Yes, shade. Good job, Irene. I like it. So now you got it, right? Nice. Here, the third one. NOP. Shade in an array with 5 columns of 2. Okay, how many columns you need to shade? How many? 5. Can you show me the 5 columns? Show me. Just. Okay, how many? 5 columns of?
Of
With
3.
of 2. You did it. Correct. Now here. Shade an array with 5 columns of 2. Can you tell me how many columns? Keep rocking. Your good job, Irene.
6 rows of 3.
Wow, nice. Come on, do it. You tell me. See, Irene got it. Now, your time, Ashley. Is this a heart? What's that? Okay, shade in an array with the 5 columns of 2. How many columns we need to shade? Oh no, how many columns? 5. Can you show me the 5 columns? 1. 5. Okay, now here. This one. Read it for me.
Astrid and Erin with 6 rows of 3.
6 rows of 3. Tell me how many rows we need to pick. How many rows we need to pick? How many rows we need to shade? Okay.
4. 6.
6. Can you show me the 6 rows?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Good job. So this
Color
one.
it in.
Okay, now we need to shade. How many here? 6 rows of
3.
3. So 3 more. Yes. Good job, Penelope. You got it. Now you need to shade it. Okay, here you go. Ashley. Shade in an array with the 6 rows of 3. Tell me how many rows we need to shade. How many rows we need to shade?
6.
6. Can you show me the 6 rows? Just show me first. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6. Now, how many rows we have back?
3.
3.
Another one.
Yes. It's interesting. Come on.
Shade in array with 3 columns
Of 5. Yes. 3 columns of 5. So how many columns we need to draw?
1, 2,
3. 3. Show me. 3. Right? Okay. Now, how many rows we need to pick?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Good job. Yes.